Hi teacher, my name is Fernando Bedoya and today we talk about today I make a video of 5 minutes about any topic for my week. And really the this week don't finish. Um Today is Tuesday and yeah, but the assignation is for today and yeah, I don't uh, finish my week. But okay, I I'm telling you a little story about my about yesterday and today. And yeah, okay. And yesterday I go to a doctor. Why? Because I have a little backache for my back. Um, uh, um, real I feel a really hard pain in my back, and yeah, I went to the doctor, and the doctor said to me that I have two discs in falling, and yeah, I need to do a therapy because this situation can empowering, right? And yeah, and today today I have a really hard day. I have a stressing day. You just asking why Marco, why you have give me the reason that you have a bad day. I have a bad day because today I have a lot of exams, a lot of quizzes, into into um, material, no material, into assignments, can be. Um, for example, um, today I have the exam of mechanic fluids. I have exam to manufacturing process. And finally, I have a entrepreneurship and innovation exam, and yeah, and I have a problem. Uh, 5 minutes uh, after before that I take this video. I I'm discu- I have a discussion with my teacher because I forgot um, send a homework, and yeah, I really I don't have space in my head to organize a lot of ideas because I have so much in my head. But I hope that this situation can be better because I need the grades for my beca. Entonces, yeah, I need that. I don't. mm, I'm trying to remember that a thing that I can tell you. Hmm. Today, after two two university classes, um, I I have to go to the doctor because the doctor have to put me an injection uh, because it's analgesic to the to the pain with to my back. And yeah, I don't know that it says back, this part of my back, but I hope that you learn, you comprehend me. Yeah. That's all, teacher. Thank you for your time, and yeah, thanks. See you later.